Hi, my name is Ben, and welcome to my first look at Pioneer's brand new high-performance automotive loudspeakers, the new Z Series speakers. The car will be always one of the most enjoyable environments to listen to music, and during Pioneer's remarkable 80-year history, our loudspeaker technology has advanced the limits of sound quality reproduction, transforming the musical recording into reality and offering an experience that only we can provide. We don't just want you to listen to music, we want you to hear more. So let's take a look at the TSZ family. Pioneer has released 4 models, including 3 speakers and a subwoofer, all designed for high-res audio. The model I'd like to focus on today is the flagship TSZ65CH speaker, a 6.5-inch two-way component speaker offering 330 watts max power or 110 nominal. So what makes this speaker so good? For me, it comes down to 3 key features: 29mm aluminium alloy balanced dome tweeter, the Twiron Amarad fiber construction plus cellulose fiber dual layer cone construction, as well as high-res audio reproduction. Let's start with the cone construction. Twiron is a synthetic Amarad fiber that is strong, very strong, heat resistant and rigid when woven into a cloth material. Strength and rigidity are important to keep cone shape at higher powers and maintain responsiveness. The TSZ65CH features a dual layer cone construction with both a Twiron and cellulose layer combining the strengths of both materials. Cellulose fibers are naturally self-dampening and reduce unwanted resonance. The result is fast response, clear bass, low coloration and distortion. Complementing the cone construction is the Zed's aluminium alloy balanced dome tweeter. The Zed's tweeter's aluminium alloy diaphragm allows the tweeter to remain pistonic and linear at ultrasonic frequencies. The unique diaphragm shaped, developed using HSDOM or Harmonized Synthetic Diaphragm Optimum Method computer analysis, accurately controls differential vibration produced by the diaphragm and improves high frequency dispersion. Pioneer's Vertex drive system improves the mechanical coupling of the voice coil and the tweeter diaphragm. This reduces distortion and coloration caused by low dampening and increased power handling. The last key feature I want to highlight for the TSZ65CH is that it's certified for high-res audio. The quality of music recordings available to listeners has evolved. High-res audio recordings contain significantly more data compared to a standard CD recording, and require a loudspeaker that is capable of smoothly reproducing frequencies of 40 kHz or higher. The Z Series speakers are designed to deliver sound that is clearer, sharper, and more complex, reproducing music that is closer to the original performance. So that concludes our first look at the Pioneer TSZ65CH loudspeaker. Also in the range are 2 more speaker models, including the TSZ65C, a 6.5-inch two-way component system offering 300 watts max power or 100 watts nominal, and the TSZ65F, a 6.5-inch coaxial two-way speaker offering 330 watt max power or 110 nominal. Last but not least is our brand new TSZ series subwoofer, the TSZ10LS2. To learn more about this model, please make sure you visit our YouTube channel and watch our first look video, or come to the Pioneer Australia website for more details. Thanks for watching.